is not advertising any political party. He is the father of all. And thus, my invitation should be clearly understood. I'm part and parcel of the history of the Federal Capital Territory because back in 1981, I was the developer of Kwali Development Area. By then, Gwagwalada, Zuba, and Dangara, they were all under Kwali Development Area. To see the wife of my late councillor, Zuba, being one of the traditional title holders Emirate Council. Also, I was, until you know the history of the Federal Capital Territory, you will not appreciate the history of this terminating by the Jiwa until you know the history of the Federal Capital Territory. The Federal Capital Territory was created by the head of state, General Ramon Mohammed, of blessed memory, by decree number 6 of 1976. But unfortunately, he was assassinated. He was not alive to see the actualization of the Federal Capital Territory. At that time, the policy was that since a new Federal Capital Territory was created, all is a national capital, it's an international capital, and also a local capital. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to seize this opportunity to thank the SERIKIN Jiwa for organizing this festival and also for targeting these new personalities who will assist his administration in terms of peace and stability, in terms of cultural development, in terms of socio-economic development. He will get a lot of advice and assistance from these title holders, and that will promote and make his institution strong and developed to the highest level. Finally, I would like to congratulate the new time and advise them to make sure the Jiwa Emirate Council is assisted, is promoted, so that it maintains the peace and stability of this area. In particular, I have to congratulate an international organization, the ambassador of Cuba, who has become the Abuja women Jiwa Emirate Council. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you, and God bless. Thank you.
Why it was here is to recognize eminent Nigerians, people like Dr. Oda, who has done much to the whole Africa, a gynecologist to the core in the whole world. We're supposed to appreciate him. We're supposed to emulate him. We're supposed to thank him. We're supposed to thank God by creating such human beings in our midst and in Nigeria. Jamil is here, and it's not an international journalists. Most of them, and so many of them. Today, that is why we decided to go and invited our senior brother. We did not invite him as a politician. We invited him to be our brother, who has been our brother for years and for them. And our relationship will continue forever.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.